Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will be taking an in-depth look at Palantir. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, November 30th, 2023, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 2, 2023, our system has ranked Palantir as a buy candidate with a score of 4.44. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.57% since we first listed Palantir as a buy candidate 20 days ago. This means an average return of 0.58% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 33.15% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 10.22% and 45.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 182.6% change over the next year. This could lead to a return between 118.45% and 206.33%. In terms of price, it may range between $43.80 and $61.42 after a year. Our latest update on Palantir brings a positive headline: Palantir stock price increases by 1.06% on Thursday. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 30th, 2023, the Palantir stock price rose from $19.84 to $20.05, representing a gain of 1.06%. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $19.68 and a high of $20.23, a 2.79% difference. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 0.5% overall gain. The trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 55 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.10 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices could indicate a divergence and potentially signal changes in the near future. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $21.85, while the lowest was $5.84. Currently, the price is 8.24% or $1.80 below the 52-week high. It is also 55.44% or $24.95 below the all-time high, which occurred on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Let's talk about analyst ratings for PLTR. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush also gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, August 31, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. Back on Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush once again gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Finally, on the same day, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs gave PLTR a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Palantir stock a general rating of buy. They strongly recommend buying the stock based on its PE ratio and price-to-book ratio, both of which are rated as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious stance, giving the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Palantir stock. Currently, there are mixed signals in the stock. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a minus 6.04% decline so far. It's expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there's a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there are some positive indicators as well. The Palantir stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, the relation between the two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, we can expect some resistance at $19.62 and $18.09. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. It's worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may be an early warning sign. Therefore, it's crucial to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is currently showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator generated a sell signal 8 days ago. According to the Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was observed 38 days ago. The short-term moving average indicator indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicator signaled a buy 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 19 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicator showed a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicator also signaled a buy 21 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir's current support level stands at $19.71, which means that when this level is tested, it could present a buying opportunity. There is a good chance of an upward reaction when this support holds. Now, it's important to note that Palantir is considered to be a high-risk stock due to its volatility. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, adding to the risk factor. Looking at the stock's performance from the last day, it moved $0.550 between its high and low, representing a 2.79% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 3.56%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Palantir, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir's PE ratio is currently quite high, which could suggest that the stock is overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on, let's take a look at the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023, which is expected to be released on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share, EPS, are $0.0800. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. If we observe an upward trend, Palantir's first resistance level is at $20.49. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at $19.71. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Palantir has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 24, 2023, Taylor Ryan D. sold 30,573 shares of Class A common stock. On November 20, 2023, Heather A. Planishek sold 13,187 shares of Class A common stock. On November 20, 2023, Heather A. Planishek sold 9 shares of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2023, Heather A. Planishek sold 8,012 shares of Class A common stock. On November 21, 2023, Heather A. Planishek sold 1,184 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.838. In total, insiders have purchased 8,896,650 shares and sold 13,177,113 shares in the last 100 trades. For this stock, we recommend setting the stop loss at $19.09, representing a decrease of 4.81%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. We have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 7 days ago. Is Palantir stock worth investing in? Based on our analysis, we have identified several positive short-term signals and a generally positive trend, suggesting that there may be a buying opportunity for Palantir stock. However, it's important to note that our systems have found the current price to be overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Friday, December 1st, we anticipate Palantir stock to open with a decrease of $0.0633, starting at $19.99. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using our information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. So, please comment below and share your opinions with us. What's your target for the stock? We're eager to know. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.